Hey everyone, in today's video we're exploring Magic Eraser, a free online tool that lets you do just that. With Magic Eraser, you can easily remove people, objects, text, and even blemishes from your photos. Here's a quick guide on how to use it. Upload your image. Drag and drop your photo or select it from your device. Magic Eraser supports all popular formats like JPG, PNG, and even HEIC. Select the unwanted area. Use the brush tool to carefully paint over the object you want to remove. You can adjust the brush size and zoom in for precise selection. There are also helpful tips on the website to ensure the best results, like making sure your brush covers the entire object and its shadow. Erase. Once you're happy with your selection, click Erase. The AI will analyze the area and remove the unwanted object realistically. If the results aren't perfect on the first try, you can always refine your selection and erase again. Download. When you're satisfied with the edited image, simply click Download to save it back to your device. Magic Eraser has a variety of uses. Photographers can use it to remove distractions from their photos, real estate agents can use it to clean up property photos, and anyone can use it to fix minor imperfections in their personal photos. The best part? Magic Eraser is completely free to use and doesn't require any signup. Ready to try it out? Head over to magicstudio.com to get started. And be sure to visit our site, where we have collected thousands of services that use artificial intelligence, including alternatives to Magic Eraser.